Hey everyone, Weeds here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I have one item to unbox for you guys. It is from week 13 this time. And it's something I actually need for the channel to help me open up stuff. Alright, so right off the bag, got these friggin' stickers. Okay, I think it just came out okay. It came out the box, unfortunately. It's the Leatherman Squirt PS4, you know? So the box looks like this. The packaging looks like that, kind of destroyed. You got instructions as well in here. If you guys want to take a look at that. Alright, let's get to the thingy. Wow, it's quite small. Pause. But here you are. Yeah, it's really tiny. So you can attach it to some keys or whatever. Whoa. Okay, that's cool. You got pliers. Look at these little scissors, yo. In case someone's giving birth, you're just like, I got scissors. I can cut the umbilical cord for show. If you want to cut people out of your life too. Wow, this is actually really cool. It's really in your fit in the palm of your hand, and it has a lot of tools and whatnots. Yeah, no regrets. Anyway, that'll do it again for me. Got some new stuff coming in again this week. I do have another item coming in this week. I can't wait to see that as well. And yeah, I guess I'll just see you guys on the next one. Have a good one.